Hey everyone, welcome back to The Simple Dad. So if you got a Samsung Galaxy phone or tablet and you love drawing, doodling, or just using the S Pen, Samsung has just released a major update for the PENUP app. So today I'm going to show you what's new and why this update is actually one of the biggest PENUP upgrades we've seen in a while. So the PENUP update brings several new features, including the new brush. It supports dual brush, draft file export feature, Lasso, supports landscape mode, and it syncs with your Samsung account email. So Samsung is rolling out version 3.9.22.32 globally for all the Galaxy devices. So if you haven't received it yet, please check your Galaxy store for this update. Now let's go ahead and check out what's new. So I'll go ahead and open the app. Here we'll tap on drawing and we'll go ahead and choose a standard page. So first up, Samsung has added new drawing brushes. In fact, there are now more than 50 downloadable brushes available inside PENUP. So you can access this from tapping on the three dots and then tap on download more brushes. So this gives artists and casual users many more options for sketching, painting, and creating different artistic styles. If you felt limited by the previous brush selection, this update is definitely going to make the app much more fun to use. Now, second feature is a dual brush support. So this lets you combine two brush effects together, creating unique strokes and layered textures. Think of it like using two paintbrushes at the same time. So it can create some really impressive effects, especially if you're using the S Pen on devices like the Galaxy S Ultra series or the Galaxy Tab tablets. Now I've checked my brushes window here and I can't really find the dual brush feature. So it could be that some region may receive this update gradually. I haven't received it yet. So I'll just go ahead and wait and see what happens in the future. Now Samsung has also redesigned the brush setting page. So you can now tap on brush to customize it, preview the changes and adjust settings much more easier than before. So this should make it quicker to find your perfect brush style for your artwork. Okay. Now this next feature, many people have wanted for years. You can now export and import unfinished drawings using the new PENUP file format. So here, if you did some drawing here, you can go ahead and tap on the three dots, tap on new canvas and go ahead and save this. This now goes into your draft, which you can access by tapping on the three dots and then tapping on drafts. So here you can go ahead and import and export drafts. So this means you can start drawing on a Galaxy phone and continue it later on your Galaxy tablet while keeping your layer and settings intact. So for anyone who uses multiple Samsung devices, this is really a useful addition. Now next, the Lasso tool has also been upgraded with the auto select. So instead of manually tracing objects, PENUP can now automatically identify and select items in your drawing, making editing faster and easier. So if I go ahead and just lasso around the T, you'll see that T has been selected and now I can go ahead and move this anywhere I like. So PENUP now supports the landscape mode. If auto rotate is turned on, the app can automatically switch into landscape orientation, giving you a much wider workspace. So this is especially useful on larger Galaxy phones and tablets. Okay. Finally, Samsung has added a syncing with your Samsung account. So this makes it much more easier to keep your drawings and projects available across multiple Galaxy devices. So it's another step towards making PENUP feel like a complete creative ecosystem. So here you can go ahead and tap on the three dots and tap on sign in. Since I've already signed in, it basically says sign out for me. So now whatever drawing I do here, it will be available on other devices like your tablet or maybe your other Samsung phone. So that's the latest PENUP update on Samsung Galaxy devices. So just to recap, new downloadable brushes, dual brush support, better brush customization, draft export and import, auto select in the Lasso tool, landscape mode, and Samsung account syncing. I think this is one of the best PENUP updates Samsung has released in quite some time, especially for the Galaxy S Pen users. So if this video helped you out, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to The Simple Dad, and hit that bell notifications so you never miss the latest tips, tricks, and updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.